As you might imagine, XR technology requires advanced computer vision, powerful hardware, and precise tracking capabilities. It also requires a high bandwidth internet connection in order to function smoothly. The high bandwidth internet connection is critical because the XR applications require lots of data to be transmitted between the servers and the devices. The 5G technology also plays a significant role in the XR experience because it has something called ultra-low latency and high throughput. Those are the technical terms that allow such things as high-resolution graphics and real-time sensor inputs to be transmitted within fractions of a second.
So there you have it. That's how extended reality creates a bridge to the future, advancing industry, transforming collaboration, and redefining entertainment. This blending of the physical and digital world can unlock new dimensions of creativity, productivity, and connection.
By embracing a user-centric approach and prioritizing user safety, we can navigate this evolving digital landscape with confidence, unlocking the true potential of technology while protecting those who utilize it.
We want to give a big thank you to our experts, Mason Bates, Chelsea Kane, and Miraj Mainali, for sharing their insight around extended reality.
And on behalf of Verizon and Discovery Education, thank you for watching.